Do you ever feel like you're wasting time while you're out mowing lawns? What if I told you you could grow your business, sharpen your mind, and get ahead of the competition while you're out cutting grass? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Audiobooks and podcasts can turn every lawn into a learning opportunity. And today I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. Mowing is repetitive work, but that doesn't mean it has to be mindless. With audiobooks and podcasts, you can learn business strategies while you work. You can stay motivated with personal development books and get inspired by industry leaders and experts. I personally listen to around 50 audiobooks a year, everything from Napoleon Hill to Dan Kennedy. It's one of the best decisions I ever made. Now, when I listen, I use what I call a 50-50 rule to keep things balanced. In the mornings, I listen to business, personal growth, and history books. And then after lunch, I switch to fiction so I can enjoy some guilt-free Stephen King, and it keeps my mind sharp in the mornings and relaxed in the afternoons. Try it and see how it works for you. Now, I know audiobooks can get pricey, but don't let that stop you. Audible have great subscription and monthly credits. I've bought over 100 books with them. And Scribed is a budget-friendly, all-you-can-eat option. The selection's not as good as Audible, but they are pretty good. But then podcasts are completely free and packed with value. So there's no excuses, really. It's a way for everyone to start learning while they're working. One big advantage is that audiobooks are quieter than loud music, so you can still hear what's going on around you and you can stay alert on the job. If your engine starts making funny noises or someone approaches you from behind, you can hear them. So you get the best of both worlds. You can listen to audiobooks while you're working and you can hear what's going on around you. So do you want to grow your business to 10K a month without hiring employees or spending a ton on ads? Join my free community, the Lawn Business Builders. The link is below. So what's your favorite audiobook or podcast? Drop your recommendations in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lawn care business tips. Until next time, get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.